2005 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee, fixing an issue where the hood release breaks and just flops and doesn't open the hood. Essentially what you have to do, pop off a couple pieces of trim, floorboard here, this piece, there's just retaining clips that pop up and pop out here, and sorry you can't see that, here and here, and this pulls out. Behind there you'll see this hood release. Here's the old one you can see for reference. It is hooked on here like this. Swinging around, you can see there's 3 bolts, 10 millimeters, that you'll need to undo to get that to pop out and swap it out. So after we've got the hood release detached, you can see this common failure point here. This plastic has broken, which no longer retains the cable. You can see in my replacement, both pieces here intact. Hopefully it will remain that way. Basically, to release this cable, grab some needle nose pliers, pinch this, it pushes back through that plastic